Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Getting that annoying include path error in VS Code C or C++ when coding C or C++. Let's fix it under a minute. First of all, open the VS Code. After you have opened the VS Code, search for, first of all, open the command palette, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Here the search bar will open. In Mac, you can press CMD plus Shift plus P and search for C/C++. Here, search it, edit configuration, and it will say edit breakpoint option. Simply hit enter. After you have enter it, then click add and paste the folder path where the header files are located. For example, this is my header path where this is the folder where my header paths are located. Then step 3 is to save the configuration. VS Code will save it to .vscode/c_cpp_properties.json, and you can simply reload the VS Code. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, Ctrl Shift plus P, and type reload window and hit enter. And there you go, no more include path error. If this tutorial helped, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next VS Code quick fix.